Hi everyone, so today I am going to teach you how to renew your PRC ID. So I am located here in Cebu. First is you have to type PRC ID renewal in your search bar in your Google. And the next is you have to choose the second option, this one, the LIRAS, Professional Regulation Commission. Once click, okay, just click proceed. And then you have to make sure that you have to click the green box, this, and here just scroll down and then click choose. Okay, so we are clear and ready to sign in. So you have to input your email and your password, check I'm not a robot, and click sign in. Once done, so here you can see your account and just click OK. Click proceed, and then you have to select here, select transaction, click I agree and proceed, then click proceed again. OK. Click OK. Here you have to select your profession. So since I am a teacher, I'm going to choose it. Then you have to input your PRC number in this box here. Then click proceed. Then you have to select your preferred PRC regional office. I'm going to check SM, Gmail. So actually we have here different options. You can go to PRC Cebu, main office, or choose PRC Damagare, PRC Bohol, SM Gmail. You can also choose Robinson Galleria here in Cebu. So in my case, I'm going to choose SM Gmail. Then here you'll be given a scheduled time, but if the schedule is in conflict with your time, you can change that one. Just click proceed. Okay, just like this. So just click proceed, and then to complete the transaction, you have to choose your payment option. So we have here Pay Maya, Gcash, or you can use your ATM, Visa card, MasterCard, or any. And please do take note that you have to pay a convenience fee for using their platform, so that's additional 8 pesos. Okay, or you can also transact during this option, land bank. But I prefer to use Gcash, so I'll click Gcash, and then you'll be redirected here. Okay, just click submit, and when submitted, the QR code will be sent to you, and then just scan the code using your Gcash app, and make sure that your account has at least 458 pesos. And then here you can see my official receipt. So that's 458, including the service charge. Okay, so once the payment is done, you have to go back to your account here. Then in the left side, you have to choose your existing transaction. Just click that, and then you can see your existing transactions. So these are my existing transactions. So I got some of the transaction and focus on this one. Okay, so these are the details and the reference number of my transaction. And please do remember that you have to print the renewal form because personnel and PRC will be looking for it. So make sure to print this out. Okay, and during the appointment day, you have to bring this. Alright, so here's my actual video when I went to SM Gmail and mall at 9:33. I was allowed to get inside the mall, specifically to the PRC. Okay, so they were early and the opening. Okay, and that's it. So just make sure to arrive on time, at least on time, because you might not know that there are a lot of people there. So when I went there, the line is actually long already because there are some of the people there are applying for an examination. Some, like me, are into the renewal of the PRC ID. The others are for authentication, certification, and so on. So that's it. I hope you learned something, and thank you so much. See you on my next videos.